If you have been struggling with entries or over trading, stay till the end because I will reveal how to spot sniper entries and avoid fake breakouts in real time. Okay, so the key is to trade with momentum and confidence, not emotion. So we will use these three main confirmations to trade this scalping strategy. Okay, so now one is market structure. Two, we shall use fair value gap or imbalances. Then three, we shall use smart money liquidity zones. So once these line up, you will know exactly when to enter and when to stay out of the market. So this is how we shall set our strategy. We shall add some 50 exponential and 20 exponential moving averages for trend direction. So I already showed you how to add these indicators to your chart. Okay, so now we always go here and we go to indicators here, then you go to technicals right here, then you look for the moving average exponential right here. You just tap on it and you tap on it and again, then here they'll be added on your chart. Then your role is just to edit them, and you edit, you just put the length to 50 exponential moving average here, and the close, you just leave them here. You can change the color if you want. Then here you come and change to 20 exponential moving average right here, but for the color for the 50 and 20, at least they should not be the same, so that you'll be able to differentiate them very well. Yes, this one you can put it to black. Okay, so you can see this blue one, it is the 50 exponential, and the 21 is the 20 exponential moving average. Okay, so after adding that, we shall always mark our structure, order blocks, or fair value gap. Okay, so now this is how we shall trade it. Remember, this is a 1 minute time frame. It is a scalping on 1 minute time frame, right? So you shall switch to your 1 minute time frame right there, and after switching that, what we shall trade is always we shall wait for when the 20 exponential moving average crosses above the 50 exponential moving average. Okay, so now for example here, let's look for the crossover, and we see now, for example, you can see right here, this blue one, it closed the blue one, remember, it is the 50 exponential. It is right here, and you can see how this black, which is a 20, closed above this blue one. So after closing, we are looking for buys. Okay, so now we are looking for buys. Then after closing, that means we shall say this is now a bullish trend, right? Because now these moving averages, they have closed over. Now we considering it as a bullish trend. Okay, so now here's where the power comes in. We wait for price to return into a fair value gap or an order block zone that aligns with the trend direction. Remember, the trend is bullish because they have closed over. Okay, so now we shall mark our fair value gaps and order blocks that are above our moving averages. Okay, then after marking them, always we have to wait for the market to come back to those zones. Okay, you can see the order blocks and fair value gaps that are aligning with our trend. Okay, right? So now the power is to always wait for the market to come to your zone, right? So now you can see the zone we have marked, but we have marked them according to our trend, and you can see that the market came back to one of our zones, that is an order block. Okay, you can see that this is an order block the market came to before it moved up, right? But after identifying that we are in the bullish trend, right? So always that's how we get bullish momentum. Okay, and also the opposite is the true. Okay, when a 20 crosses below a 50, we are looking for selling opportunities. You can see here it is right, like it is shown here right. Okay, you can see that this is a blue one, it is a 50, this is a black one, it is a 20, it closed over. After closing over, remember, we shall look for fair value gaps and order blocks that are aligning with our trend. Remember, it has closed over. Now it is confirming to us that we are bearish after closing over. So now we always look for the zones that align with our trend. Okay, So now we shall look for the zones that align with our trend. You can see immediately after crossing over and leaving fair value gaps, it really moved according to our trend, right? It moved according to our trend. So or is the stop loss, we shall use 5 to 10 pips. Then for the TP, it is a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so remember, gold moves fast. Always secure partial profits area. Okay, always secure partial profits area, and that is it. That's the best 1 minute gold scalping strategy that actually works in 2025, right? So if you got this video hopeful, so hit the like button, subscribe to Jim FX. Bye.